Am I the only one baffled by Zimbabwe's political twists? In a bold declaration stirring up controversy, ZANU-PF Youth League political commissar Torai Kandishaya asserts that President Emerson Mnangagwa will extend his stay in office beyond 2028. This sparks a direct challenge to Zimbabwe's constitution, which mandates a two-term limit for presidents. Kandishaya didn't hold back, claiming the law is not an issue if Zimbabweans want ED to stay. This highlights a growing sentiment within the ZANU-PF Youth League and certain segments of society who credit Mnangagwa with economic reforms. But wait, there's more. Just weeks ago, Mnangagwa reportedly abandoned his third-term bid amidst internal opposition and is instead pushing for constitutional changes to cement his influence. With political maneuvering and potential amendments on the horizon, Zimbabwe's political future is anything but certain. Will Mnangagwa defy the constitution, or will Zimbabwe uphold its democratic principles? Stay tuned for more twists in this unfolding drama.